Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download vanilla tweaks for Minecraft. Let's get started. First, quit Minecraft and open your web browser and search for vanilla tweaks and go to vanillatweaks.net. On the homepage, you'll see resource pack, data packs, and crafting tweaks. Today, we'll focus on resource and data packs. Resource packs modify Minecraft texture. Click on resource packs, browse through the categories, and select the ones you like, for example, fancy fences or warm glow. Once chosen, click download. If an add wall appears, wait for the skip button in the top right corner. Next, data packs. Add or modify gameplay features. Click data packs and explore the options. For example, name colors. Changes your player name, color, and glass always drops allows collecting glass without silk touch. Select your desired packs and click download. Once downloaded, open the file explorer and extract any zipped files. Then open Minecraft for resource packs, go to options, then resource packs, then open pack folder. Then drag your downloaded packs in, hover over them and click the arrow to enable, then press done. For data packs, open world and create a new one. Click more options, then data packs and open packs folder. Drag in the downloaded data packs, enable them with the arrow and press done. And after that, test them in-game. For example, place an oak fence to see the new texture or type commands to see your colored name. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.